unblocked views, 15 meters lap pool, 7 bedrooms, a full basement, 999 years. Sitting on an impressive land size of around 4,200 square feet with a build-up of 8,823 square feet, this detached house is located in District 19, Serangoon Gardens. Hi everyone, this is Diana from the Property Runway, and today we're at Crowhurst Drive, which is one of the closest streets to Serangoon Gardens Village. This suburban estate is home to one of Singapore's best hawker centres as well as under-the-radar bars and cafes. One exciting development for this vibrant neighbourhood is certainly the upcoming Tavistock MRT in 2029, creating more convenience for this location. This eye-catching house just TOP'd in August 2020 and sits on the 999 years land. Drive through the sleek, automated black gates and head straight into a full basement where you can park 4 of your cars. To the rear of this garage sits your very own private bar. Pour yourself a whiskey and entertain guests in this sleek industrial lounge. This soft furnishing style works perfectly for this space to double up as a cinema room. Head upstairs and it's a different world. Sliding doors and large frame windows blur the boundary between indoors and out, creating a flexible, light-filled living and dining area. Here, we have a pool deck as well as a small backyard. At the back of the house, we find a dry and wet kitchen, all fitted with Miele and Bosch appliances. This level also comes with a laundry area, a helper's room, and their own bathroom. Just next to the wet kitchen is the guest room, with direct access to the backyard and the pool. Up on level 2, we have a queen family area and 3 bedrooms. The master bedroom sits at the front of the house, overlooking the unbeatable, unblocked views. And here, a walk-in wardrobe leads up to the bathroom where you have a standalone bathtub. Not sparing any expense, every bathroom is fitted with Bravette sanitary ware. There are 2 ensuite bedrooms at the back of the house, each with their own bathrooms. On the top floor, we have another 3 bedrooms, 2 which comes ensuite. And the last is a common bedroom with a bathroom just across the hallway, perfect as a study. Head to the front of the house and here we have an impressive family area leading up to a huge roof terrace. Embrace sunrise and sunsets here. Transform this into a living green space, have a pergola here for a little more shade. Like to make this impressive home your very own? Call the Property Runway today. See you soon!